I was actually not necessarily a fan of a blue wave occurring, because I felt that might actually lead to higher deregulation and a rollback of some of the Trump era tax cuts. But I think that, now that we have one party in control in Washington, D.C., it may actually be a good thing. This last round of stimulus negotiations, I think, forced the market to lose a lot of confidence in the ability of a two-party system to actually make good decisions.
In trying to formulate questions for you, Jake, I go, well, we got this, and we got that, but then again, we got this, and we got that, but then we got that. And I realized I should probably do one of those Ben Franklin closes and just list the positives and then list the negatives. Because I guess positives are, the vaccine is one, the stimulus is another. Stability and just not having a news cycle that lasts every 8 hours with something insane, happening, that's a positive. But I can list some negatives, Jake. I can definitely list some negatives. And I've always thought that the market should set wage prices. I've always thought that. And I'm not convinced that there are places in this country where you won't see job losses for young people and for unskilled workers. If you go to 15, there will be job losses. I'm convinced of that. And then, you raise taxes, you re-regulate everything. I mean, there are things that I think are definitely negative. How does it all play out in terms of net for what the market does?
Look, I think the Biden administration is handcuffed as it relates to tax reform. And we certainly know that Democratic administrations like to spend. So I think in the foreseeable future, we sort of have the best of both worlds. The Democrats offering more spending, increased stimulus, and the old Republican policy of lower taxes, which I think is net bullish for the market. What I do think we're going to have to do here is not just play the market. We're going to actually have to find sectors of the market that will continue to do well over the course of the next 1 to 3 years. And so it's going to be a stock picker's market.
Jake, you pick Amazon and Tesla. I mean, I'm scared. I'm scared because they've both moved so much. Those are your two that you pick. That would mean momentum continues. You must at least be overall bullish about momentum then.
Look, I continue to be very bullish on the tech sector. Let's take Amazon, for example. Everybody's using Amazon now to get what they need. Businesses, individuals, It's hard to live without Amazon. And no matter how long this pandemic lasts, Amazon's going to continue to do well. With respect to Tesla, you can't really think about it from a valuation perspective. Electronic vehicles is the wave of the future. Governments like Finland and the rest of them in Europe, China, the U.S. are concerned about global warming. And that means that electronic vehicles are going to continue to be in demand.
Societal change. All right, Jake, we'll have back. We got to end it there. I don't know. We have something, hard break or something. We got to pay our bills.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, Jake.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.